my bike down to Tera Harvest Festival, and well, follow me and let's have a look. I'm off for Tera Kindergarten, where I used to go to playgroup when I was little, and used to spend a lot of time in the sand pit digging away, which is something I still love to do today. Wow, I really have extended the garden since I was little and was here. It's quite nice, you know.
We'll come back.
There's a caterpillar. Behind me is a nostalgic sand pit, which I used to play in when I was really little. This is one cool fire pit. Charcoal! Chicken! You know that? Chicken! Oh, obviously these chickens don't remember me visiting them last. Rather cute though. One good shot's been before. A neat idea for netting, using the pipe and the netting over it. Yeah, really fun. I just found some Tamarillo plants, so I'll just have a look and see what ones are the nicest to get. Oh yeah, this one's got a nice amount of leaf on it. Yeah. Thank you. This one. This one. It's like choosing apples of apples. That one's smaller, so maybe not. So perhaps this one doesn't look bigger. After much ado, I finally found the plants I wanted, and at $3 each, pretty good bargain. So yeah, I guess I'll get them. Okay, I'm off to have a look at the garden. So here's a quince. Here's quince, and as you can see, it's deciduating,
I don't know.
as I like to say. And if we come along here, here is an orange tree. And if we have a look, it'll produce oranges. So these oranges, which if we peel it, has a delicious fruit inside, obviously. So the reason why it's an orange and not a mandarin is, as you see, it's got a little navel there. Well, by what I mean a navel, this this one it's more of a dimple. But if we have a look over here, this one definitely has a navel, and looking at how big my hand is and how small the fruit is, these are little but they're still perfectly formed oranges. So I'll finish up the peeling and then comes taste test. So it cuts quite nicely still. That's very sweet. Definitely tastes like an orange though. I am wild about this garden. Just look at it. Laden with natural produceosities. Come on through. Past the sunflower. All these delicious things. And off the old sage of wisdom is a sage. Obviously it's wise. Smells wise. And behind, right here, are the Jerusalem artichokes. See, they're growing quite tall. This one was. And here is a pineapple sage. Even more sagey. With a good deal of pineapple. Right here by my face is an apple. So as you can see, the leaves are clearly of the Malus genus, which is of course the apple genus. And if we look underneath, here's some comfrey. Now, the reason why comfrey is good, especially under apples, is first of all, comfrey is a root miner.
Root miner!
So its roots are long and they go deep and they extract the nutrients from the soil. And of course, one very important thing with apples is never plant grass underneath an apple. Apples do not like grass. Grass is fine, apples are not. Ooh, a rotten apple. As you can see, it's obviously a green or a Granny Smith apple. And the birds have really enjoyed it. I don't think I will. And here is some purple sage! More sagey, but purple. And behind it is some chives. And we've got some basil. And as you can see, the sunflowers are clearly dressed for the occasion. We've got some wedding or something, wouldn't you? This is one cool cucumber. Hey, wait, have you got the time? I will just parsley the sunflowers. I won't artichoke on this or that. More artichokes, this time of the globe. Isn't it funny? The nashi type apples have more of a prunus or a cherry genus shaped leaf.
Broad beans, one of my favourites. Read it.
Be careful with this one. And of course, you see a dahlia, but you never see a nightlier, do you now? This is very appealing. Going down the garden path. So as you can see, I've led you down the garden path, right here to a manuka. Not the stuff in my face, by the way. And by a manuka, not just one, but a whole forest of them! So, the manuka here is rather useful. I mean, when it's flowering, it has lots of lovely little whitey pinky flowers, and that's where you get the manuka honey from. Obviously once it's been for a bee and all that kind of beesy business. But yeah, but no, it's much more useful than that. I mean, it's got millions of uses. So you can obviously use it for tea, you know, the leaves and all of this nice stemmy stuff as well. And it's good for bathing wounds due to its antiseptic properties. And now the reason why it also has another common name of the New Zealand tea tree is because the settlers used to dry it for tea. And why am I eating it?
No. I love this forest. So, the wild gardener is going to go wild.
Here we go off the mulberry bush. So here we go off the mulberry bush indeed. Mulberry bush. Tree. I love this tree. I've been told to behave myself. This lot are so busy. The busy bees around me. It's a hive of activity. Here is a nice specimen of ginger. As you can see, it has this little rooty places where it used to grow, and yeah, nice and gingerific. And as you know, ginger has rhizomes. Well, that's me done for the day. Got plenty of books and I've got some plants as well. And yeah, that's it for this episode. Be heading off my bike now